Welcome to Her Tax Hustle, the go-to space for tax professionals who want simple systems that grow scale and bring in clients fast. This platform is here to give you the gems, the strategies, and the step-by-step guidance you can actually use to build a profitable tax business. All right? Today's lesson is one of the most important you will hear this season. I am breaking down the Christmas Cash program, also known as the Holiday Loan. This strategy is one of the most effective ways to build retention, to increase referrals, to grow your VIP list, to lock in clients before tax season, and to position your brand as the one people trust during the holidays. This is a full audio training designed for you to listen to it on the go. If you're sitting down and you can take notes, please do so. But I definitely want you to implement this because you can completely change how your tax season starts. All right, so let's get into it. Christmas Cash is a controlled funding incentive created by your tax office. So no, it is not a bank product. It is not a refund advance loan. It's not connected to a third-party lender. It is you offering a temporary cash boost to clients who plan to file with your tax office, all right? So you decide the rules, the budget, the approval process, the timeline, and the repayment structure. Think of Christmas Cash as a high-impact marketing tool disguised as a holiday perk. All right, so you get fast help during this season when money is about to get tight. In return, your clients commit to filing with you and they send referrals your direction. So this is how you build loyalty. Most tax pros wait until January to get started with marketing, and that is why they stay behind. The truth is simple. Tax season is won in November and December. Clients are already choosing who they will file with. They are watching who shows up early. They are paying attention who talks about refunds, incentives, and real support. So during the holidays, people are focused on Christmas expenses, bills, food, kids, and catching up on life. They're not focused on tax credits. They're not focused on due diligence. They're not focused on IRS updates. They are focused on surviving the holiday season. But when you show up early with Christmas Cash is available for qualified clients who plan to file with our office, you position your business as the solution during their most stressful month. So this leads to locked in returns before January opens, repeat clients who are going to stay loyal, word of mouth referrals, higher VIP list numbers, and faster growth and higher profit once tax season begins. I need you guys to pick up what I am putting down. This is how you get ahead of the competition without begging, without spamming, or doing 100 posts a day. Christmas Cash does the heavy lifting for you. Grab your notes because this is the full framework that I'm about to give you. We are going to talk about designing your program step by step. Step 1, you need to set your total budget. This is your marketing budget for Q4. You choose an amount that grows your business without hurting your business. That might be $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, $30,000. There is no right number, only a smart number. Step 2, you're going to set your maximum amount per client. Examples, up to $100, up to $250, up to $500. Or you can create tiers for different client types. Consistency is key. You need to pick rules and you need to honor those rules. Step 3, you're going to create your qualification criteria. This protects your business. Possible criteria could be must be a previous or committed client, must provide last year's return or income proof, must sign your Christmas Cash agreement. They must join your VIP list. They must have a valid ID. They must commit to filing with your office, okay? You can also exclude clients with heavy offsets, clients with a history of issues, clients who only contact you during money opportunities. This is structure. You are running a business. This is not a giveaway, all right? Then you want to choose your timeline, okay? Set clear dates, application open, approvals close, funding date, programming end date, scarcity drives action. People move faster when they know time is limited. All right, so we already rolling into step 5. you are going to set up your repayment terms. Your agreement should clearly explain how repayment works, when repayment happens, that repayment will be deducted from their tax refund or prep fee, what happens if they do not file with you, what happens if offset hits, explain late fees, explain non-payment consequences. Everything must be in writing, okay? Step 6, you have to decide your approval process. Examples: only previous clients, only VIP list members, only clients who have already submitted documentation, first come, first serve until budget is gone. Streamline this to avoid frustration. Now we're rolling into step 7. Are you guys still with me? It's time for you to track everything. You're going to use a simple spreadsheet with columns: client name, amount given, the dates, repayment plan, any notes that you need to put on that spreadsheet, and filed or not filed. Clean documentation prevents stress in January. All right? So now we're going to talk about how you are going to protect your business, because this part matters more than anything. Never send money without a signed agreement. Do not fund anyone who refuses ID or paperwork. Do not break your own rules. Do not use personal accounts without tracking. And say no when needed. Your Christmas cash program should run like a professional operation, not a favor. This is where most tax pros mess up. They want to help, but they forget they are running a business. Your agreement protects you. Your criteria protects you. Your system protects you. This is how you scale with confidence. All right? So we are now going to talk about just marketing your program the right way. Posting once, that's not marketing. Christmas cash requires consistency. So here are your goals. You're going to build your VIP list. You're going to re-engage old clients, attract new clients who value structure, and create urgency. You can do this by using Facebook groups, Reels, Instagram stories, emails, text blasts, community pages, and referral incentives. All right, so here are some sample scripts that you can use. The first one is like a sample script for returning clients. Christmas cash applications for returning clients are now open. If you plan to file with our office this season, check your email or VIP link for details. Limited approvals. Example post for new clients. If you want to file with us this season, you may qualify for Christmas cash. Join the VIP list for details. Limited spots. Example for a text blast. Christmas cash is now open for selected clients who plan to file with us. Reply info for next steps. The goal is to create buzz, is to create urgency, is to create signups, and to create commitment. All right? So we're almost done here. How to run your program without stress. Here is your flow. You need an interest form. You are going to review, or your assistant is going to review. You approve or decline. Client signs the Christmas cash agreement. Client submits identification. You send the funds. You update your tracking sheet and you tag client as locked for tax season. This is how you stay organized and professional. Christmas cash is not about giving away money, okay? It's about positioning. It's about strategy. It's about retention. It's about authority. It's about long-term growth. So let's be firm. Let's be structured. Let's be consistent. You are building a pipeline. Before we wrap up this lesson, here's your next step. If you are planning to run a Christmas cash or a holiday loan program, you need a clean, complete agreement in place before you send out even $1, okay? So to make it easy, my Christmas cash loan agreement template is completely editable and ready for you to use. Everything is already laid out for you. Your clients will initial the loan amount they choose, the repayment total, and the terms for how it will be deducted from their refund. It includes your filing deadline, your loan maturity date, late interest rules, and what happens if the refund does not cover the full balance. It also lists the qualifications your clients must meet, the offset limits, the minimum refund requirements, the protection clause, and everything you need to stay covered. It even includes a full ACH debit authorization section so you can legally recover the balance if needed. All you have to do is add your business name, your dates, and your branding. It is simple, clear, and ready to plug and play into your system today. This is just a tool to help you get started because I keep resources ready for y'all that actually make your business run smoother. So click the link to download your Christmas cash loan agreement and set your program up with confidence. This is Her Tax Hustle, the space for tax pros who want real strategies, simple systems, and faster growth. If this episode helped you, save it, share it, and come back for the next lesson. Your clients are waiting. Go execute.